Hot air balloons can be really beautiful. It really is its own kind of art. It takes artists to design these. You can see all sorts of different colors and patterns in them. They really are pretty creative when you think about it. Today, we're going to make our own hot air balloons using these steps. Step 1 is to make a line kind of like this. When I draw, sometimes I like to have pictures right next to me so I can look at them. I'm putting this picture on my iPad. I'll have this picture ready for you guys so you guys can put it on your iPad also. Step 2, we're going to make this kind of wavy line and close the shape. Take your time with it. There is no rush. Step 3, we're going to make 2 other lines coming off of our closed shape. There we go. Now, step 4, look for the lines that you don't have. Try to make your shape look like step 4. That's really all drawing is just making lines and shapes and putting them together. People think it's real hard, but anybody can learn to draw. Here we have the top of our hot air balloon done, part of the strings, part of the baskets. It'll really look like a hot air balloon once we hit step 5. Here we are going to add the strings that attach to the hot air balloon and the rest of the basket. Take your time with this. If you really look and try your hardest, I bet you can make a hot air balloon that looks really, really great. Now, step 6 just says to come up with your own design to decorate your hot air balloons. You can do that, but we're going to do that later. First, we are going to add more hot air balloons. We are going to make big ones and little ones. We're going to make some on the top of the paper, on the bottom of the paper, on the right and left of the paper. Switch colors. That'll make it more interesting. And make sure you are closing the caps to the markers as you switch colors. You can follow the same steps for each of your hot air balloons. I think you should probably make 5, 6, 7, 8, or 20 hot air balloons. You could fill your page. You can make as many as you want. Take your time, and neatness counts. There are so many different ways that you can decorate your hot air balloons, and that is what we are going to do in the next step of this project.